morning to you and welcome to this week's episode of Live Tuesday here on Cool 97 FM and cool97fm.com. Now we're coming to you from historical ground. We are inside the rehearsal studios of the Fabulous Five. Yes, we're here on the headquarters at Springvale Avenue. They're gearing up for the JAVAA Music Festival this weekend, and so we're getting a little taste of what you can expect come Saturday. Now, as we said, we're on historical ground. The Fabulous Five is a home-known name, a household name, if you will, playing a very important role in Jamaica's musical history. So we're very happy to be here, and we're grateful to be hosted by them today. And we are also joined, we're going to be hearing from the Fabulous Five, and we are also joined by JAVAA Festival cast members, those who you will be hearing from on Saturday, to include Charmaine Lemonius, of course, Fab Five, Bagga Case will be performing this morning. We've got the original Heptones and also Clement Gordon. But before we hear from them, we're going to also hear from Dave McAnuff, or Macaruffin. Now, this first segment of Live Tuesday is brought to you by our cool sponsors, ATC Freight and Shipping. Need merchandise for your business? Stock up in Panama, the go-to gateway for auto, home goods, all things office to goodies for the kids. Pack and ship everything directly to Jamaica at low rates with customs clearance and delivery from ATC Freight and Shipping. You may also call them up at 876-630-1515 and WhatsApp 876-802-4573. It's also brought to you by FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange, and Keymix Audio. The mix is key for PA system and audio support. Just before we get into the JAVAA performances, hearing now from Dave McAnuff, or Macaruffin. His latest album is The Power of Jah Love, and he has been in the business since childhood. So we're going to turn things over to him. Here is Macaruffin.
Now you Is ever living and he give good vibes. Reggae music, African heritage. Can't keep from Jamaica, united the world. United this world, yeah. Oh. This your music, African heritage. Can't keep from Jamaica throughout all stages. And ages, near.
Sounds of Macaruffin. Thank you so very much. Good morning.
Good morning.
And welcome to Live Tuesday.
Yes, thank you for having me.
Fantastic. So we just want to remind our viewers or listeners that we are inside a segment of Live Tuesday brought to you by ATC Freight and Shipping, your go-to courier for commercial cargo from Curacao. You can outfit your wardrobe, stock up your boutique with top quality, high fashion items shipped directly to Jamaica at competitive rates. Call ATC Freight and Shipping at 876-630-1515 and WhatsApp 876-802-4573. FX Trader also supports us in this segment, changing the face of foreign exchange. What a performance! How did you get into music? We hear Mackanoff and we think the Electric Dread. We think of rising, the Roots, Uprising Roots band. How did you get into music?
Well, it's really our music get into high still, because it's from our youth days, you could say that it's in our genes. Yeah, Mama and Dada, they were both musicians. Yeah, so I think that says it all.
Yeah.
Everything come from
And how did you develop your style and your feel for roots reggae music?
Well, it's just within myself, within consciousness. It's really out of consciousness, So, within roots music, that's where I really find the truth. You see? So, that's one of the things where let me know, say, yeah, roots music is really down there, so where the message there.
Right.
Where if we really uplift people mind to that level of consciousness.
So how long have you been active as a musician?
Well, as a musician, you mean a singer?
Singer, I know you play a number of instruments.
Okay.
So how long have you been doing those different things?
I've been playing music really, say professionally then.
Right.
Say from I was like 11. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Music, yeah, man. Music is what I used to play to carry me through school. My father died when I was 12.
Wow.
So it's only me and Mama, Winston, everybody did gone. See? So I was the one who have to stand upside of Mama, and things was rough.
Right.
So I give thanks to Jah that he had given me these talents. Yeah?
So how many instruments you play now, and which ones?
Well, I play drums. Professionally. I play bass, play guitar, and I do a little keyboards.
All right. So talk to me a little bit about your latest album and when it was released and what we can expect on that album for those who haven't heard it as yet.
Well, on that album you have a song about Queen Nanny, and that was featured. It featured Lee Scratchberry.
Wow.
Yeah. It was me and Scratch who did that song. It was a request from the record company, Universal Japan. So you hear that song from Scratch, and then you have song of like the title track, The Power of Jah Love. A song where really I show you say, it's it's not really the power of Jah Love is not a vanity thing, so to speak. It's more a spiritual thing. Yeah. The power of love and not the love for power.
Right.
There's a difference between, this is what I'm really want to say. The power of love and not the love for power.
Right. So you talk about Queen Nanny. I understand there is a festival coming up. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Well, the festival, if you just summarize it quick, the concept of the festival is about health, or you could say then for me, are the teachings of Jamaica Mama this year. If I don't know, say Queen Nanny is a woman who defended the culture from which this music was born.
Right.
So our teaching is that good health, education, environment, culture, and the most significant one of it is the consciousness of respect and love together.
Yeah.
Which we're doing at the music.
So it's an entire upliftment.
Right.
Right. Good stuff. When is the festival?
Well, the festival should be in Japan. We're scheduled for October, or I think it's 15, near the National Heroes Day.
So we want to get back to the music, but we want to know what can we expect from you, from Macaroffin, for the remainder of 2024 into 2025. What are you excited about, and what can we look out for?
Well, currently I'm working on some tracks, specifically for the Japanese market that my manager had suggested. So this is one of some of those oldies songs, where worldwide songs. So also I'll be touring, and in Japan I definitely have a tight schedule. So I'm supposed to return for Blue Note. I've been playing at Blue Note for
Okay.
So I have quite a few shows.
Well, thank you very much. All the best on your travels and the music that you're making. We will be listening out. We're going to throw you back to the stage. I'm going to get out of your way so you can continue playing. And reminding our cool listeners who are listening on our website and on Cool 97 FM that you can watch this stream by visiting our website, cool97fm.com, and clicking the Live Tuesday tile. All right? So we're back to Macaroffin on the cool stage.
Yes, world, this one is a little contribution to this reggae month. And showing gratitude, yes, to our Queen Mother who defended the culture that reggae music could be born. This one is dedicated to Queen Nanny. Up the Marrows, A compound Maroon Town. Hey! Blaze up, Irish Jamaica, Hallelujah, say hallelujah, the healer, we need her, our nanny, and Epiphany, come a pledge, she upstage while the bricks, call it quits, Mama Nature, troubleshooter, giant pumpkins for the munchins, go down and call it Maroon Town, yeah. Well, you bless her, a uniter, whatever. We count on her, our warrior, and defender she blends, and take her chance. So heal up all maroons, the chosen lot, Otakana, Queen Mama, the fighter, our empress, we truly believers. Go down and call it Maroon Town, yeah. Protect that trendsetter. All I do I come in now. Yeah. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na na na. Well, Gordon doesn't pardon. Bullets doesn't hurt us. Black wow. She escaped her spirit vigil on watchil. So move up and show up. The dollar bill, sweet drill, here, this a bang, welcome to Queen's Yam Down. Go down, Nana, call it Maroon Town, yeah. Protect that trendsetter, all I do back kumina, yeah. Na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na. Nanny, Queen Nanny, Nanny, Queen Nanny. Hey, Motown trendsetter. All I do I come in, yeah. Motown, Nana, call it Maroon. Maroon Town. Yes. Yes, and this one, you don't know. Trench don't have a lot to do with this music. So see there. How good and unpleasant it is to know that when reggae music hits you, you feel no pain. It's so good, so good, so good, so good. Live. One good thing about music, when it hits you feel no pain. One good thing about music, when it hits you feel no pain. So you hit time with music, hit me with music. Just hit me with music. You hit me with music, cause listen. I said don't watch that. If you want big fish or spread, you're gonna reap what you sow. Everyone knows that. Not on your back. Just give the slam a try. Never let your children cry. Cause you want me dancing, I see why. It is Kingston 12. I Kingston 12. It is Kingston 12. Good God. But why you come galang, sir? But why you come galang, sir? No. You want come go high up, but you can't come go high up, no sir. Cause I am moving, and I am moving, yes sir. Oh, one good thing, when it hits you feel no pain. One good thing about music, when it hits you feel no pain. Won't you hit me with music, just hit I with music now. You hit me with music, brutalize I with music, cause this is Trench Town Rock. Don't watch that. If you want big fish or spread, you're gonna be what you saw. Everyone knows. Not on your back. Just give the slam a try.
The sounds of Maca Roughing. Thank you so very much. This segment of Live Tuesday has been brought to you by ATC Freight and Shipping Limited and FX Trader, as well as Keymix Audio. And we do remind you that you can get so much more when we come back from this break. Stay with us. Live comes to you this morning from the studios of this morning. This is Live Tuesday right here on Cool 97 FM. We do want to remind you that in addition to listening on the 97 dial, you can tune in and watch the live stream by visiting our website, cool97fm.com, and clicking the Live Tuesday tile. Now, we're getting a taste of what you can expect at the JAVAA Music Festival this morning. We heard from Maka Ruffin and the Step by Step band earlier, and right now we're stepping a bit into the past, but getting into the groove, the rich history of Jamaican music, and we will be hearing right now from the original Heptones. So here we go, we're turning over to them, the original Heptones, inside Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM.
This is party time, oh, party time, yeah. Ooh. Oh, this is party time, oh, party time, yeah. Oh, we're having a party tonight. Oh, where everything will be alright. Come on, everyone. It's time that we should have some fun. We got to live some life before we go old. We got to live some life. Oh no, remember there's another day. We got to live some life before we're old. We've got to live some life before we're cold. This is party time. This is party time, yeah. We This is party time, yeah. We party all the time. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, baby, oh, I love you, girl. I love you. Baby, come with me, my love, to the sea of love. I wanna tell you, I really love you, baby. Baby, do you remember the time we met? That's a day, girl, I knew I won't forget it. I wanna tell you how much I love you. I really love you, baby. Baby, come with me to the sea, baby, of love. Baby, do you remember the time we met? That's a day, girl, I knew I won't forget it. I wanna tell you how much I love you. I really love you, baby. Oh, I love you, girl. I really love you, baby. Baby, be true. If it's true to me, girl, I'll be true to you. Baby, be true, and I give the world to you. I mean it, baby. Oh, girl, treat me right, and I love you day and night. I mean it, baby. Oh, I bring you down, I'll be around to guide you, baby. Oh, listen to me. When you're free, just call me. I'll be there, baby. I'll give the world to you now, babe. I'll do what you ask me to now, babe. I mean it, baby. Oh, girl. I mean it, baby. Oh.
I lost my baby, but she's coming back. Yeah, she wrote me letters today. She needs me badly, and if she comes home, I'll have a precious time.
Precious time.
My little honey says her new guy treats her badly. It seems to me it's
meet stranger princesses and kings. Oh, encounter the capers in sawdust rings. Hey, and that's why common people like you and me will be builders for eternity. And then each is given a bag of tools, a shapeless mass, and a book of rules. Big, but each must make their lives keep flowing. And hey, listen now, a stumbling block on a stepping stone. Hey, and that's why common people like you and me will be builders for eternity. And then each is given a bag of tools, a shapeless mass, and a book of rules. And then a pow, 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 pow. Hey, pow, 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 pow. One more time again. Pow, 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 pow. Pow, 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 pow. Pow, 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 pow. But I say it's common people like you and me will be builders for eternity. And then each is given a bag of tools, shapeless mass, and a book of rules. But look when the rain is falling from the sky, I know the sun will be only missing for a while. Hey, and that's why common people like you and me will be builders for eternity. And then each is given a bag of tools, a shapeless mass, and a book of rules. Sugar, sugar, I love you. Sugar, sugar, I need you. Sugar, sugar, I love you. Sugar, sugar, I need a fat girl. I need a fat, a very, very fat girl. I'm in the mood, yes. I'm in the mood. I need some food, girl. I need some food. I'm feeling rude, yeah. I'm feeling rude. And now, when you feel it, girl, you're gonna say this. Girl, I said now, when you feel it, girl, you're gonna say this. And I know you want it, I know you want it. And you're gonna get a lot of it. Get it tonight. Get it galore, girl. Get it galore. You won't want no more, fatty. Want no more. And that's for sure, girl. That's for sure. See the now. See that fatty. Oh, you like it, girl. I know you're gonna love it. See that now. See that fatty. Oh, you like it, girl. I know you're gonna love it. And I know you want it. I know you want it. What you gonna get? You're gonna get a lot of it. Get it galore, girl. You won't want no more, fatty. And that's for sure, girl. That's for sure. So nice. Alright, fatty. So nice. I know you want it. I know you want it. Oh, what you gonna get? You're gonna get a lot of it. Get it tonight. Oh, get it alone.
Dianne, what a treat, what a treat. And that's only the taste of it. That's just the tip of the iceberg. There is so much more to come Saturday right here at the Springvale headquarters of the Fabulous Five. So you're going to want to come on out to enjoy what there is on offer. We heard from Earl Morgan, founder of the Heptones, Carlton Scarlett, and Robert Dacres, giving us a wonderful, wonderful treat. We're going to step into another segment of cool music right here inside Cool Tones. We thank you for joining us and remind you that you can also check out our broadcast, the live stream, watch it on live video by visiting our website, cool97fm.com, and clicking that Live Tuesday tile, all right? So we step into this next segment with another JAVAA cast member coming up this Saturday. We're going to be hearing from Orville Bagga Case, right? He has been the head, the spearhead, the chief man responsible for designing and making so many of those vinyl covers that you have come to know and love, over 4 decades of doing that. And he has also been a member of the Home Tea Band, and it is absolutely a pleasure to welcome him this morning. Please welcome Orville Bagga Case.
All right, thank you. Love has found its way in our hearts today, yeah. Love has found its way in our hearts today. Whoa. When your love is beautiful, there's nothing that can go wrong. When two hearts beat together, it's like an everlasting song. It's like an everlasting song. The moon shines bright over yonder, and it makes you feel so fine. I'm so thankful, baby, that God has made you mine. I'm so thankful that God has made you mine. Love has found its way in our hearts today. Love has found its way in our hearts today. In our hearts today. Well, shabby-dabby-down. Oh, babe, please let me stay with you. Your love is so hard to resist. Let me feel your love and kindness and all your tenderness. I say all of your tenderness. Lord. Oh, babe, made me so very happy. Even blind man could see that love can be so beautiful. Love that's meant to be. I said love that's meant to be. Love has found its way in our hearts today. Love has found its way in our hearts today. In our hearts. lovers rocking the house. Take my hand. I'm a stranger, but I love you. Hold me. Don't be scared. I need you right now, Lord. I'm glad that I met you. This is the start of something new. Come to me, oh please, 'cause I need you right now. I've waited so long just for this here moment. Wow. Might have come. Oh, it's true to me. Oh, my lover come. Lord, take my hand. I'm a stranger, but I love you. Hold me. Don't be scared. I need you right now, Lord. I'm glad that I met you. This is the start of something new. Come to me, oh please, 'cause I need you right now. I've been waiting so long just for this here moment. Whoa. Might have come. Oh, it's true to me. Whoa, whoa, my lover come. My lover come. In the chat room and friends. Have a wonderful day. Yes.
Thank you so very much, sir. Thank you so very much to the band, the fabulous, fabulous ones, and we are so blessed to be in their presence. We can see from the posters on the wall, so many artists have passed through this space. This has been an important space, not only for the music that Fab Five has created, and they have been prolific in their creation of music, but they have been important figures in helping with the recording of so much of Jamaica's music. So we want to thank them, and we want to big them up. Now we're going to speak to the man at the helm, a founder of Fab Five, and also the chairman of JAVAA, the Jamaican Association of Vintage Artists and Affiliates, Mr. Frankie Campbell. Absolute pleasure being in your presence. Good morning.
Morning. Good to be here. I'm glad that you are here. This is my place.
Right?
I'm always here.
Thank you for having us, sir.
Yeah, man, you're welcome.
And wonderful to have you on Live Tuesday again.
Again, I think this is our fourth or fifth time.
We can call this your home too, and we'll come encroach on your space and call it our home
That's
too.
true. That's true. Anytime.
All right, so I just wanted to run through for those people who have never heard or know very little about JAVAA. Tell us what JAVAA is and what its role is.
Jamaica Association of Vintage Artists and Affiliates. Basically, we're to preserve the music because it's not all the young people's music that we like. Some of it is okay, but most of it we don't really like because we don't like the direction that it's going in. So we want to preserve our stuff. Bob Marley, and not just Bob Marley alone, but all of us come from that era, achieved so much in music that we want to continue. We want it to continue. We don't know if it's a pipe dream or not, that young people can do the same like we achieved, but we want them to do better and take Jamaican music to where it used to be at the top of the charts all over the world. And we want another Bob Marley, we want another 2 or 3 Bob Marleys with the young people coming up, but they're not heading in that direction. All of this nonsense with violence and obscenity and stuff cannot work. You have to have positive role models. So we want to be positive role models to the younger generation, and we want to preserve the music like what Cool is doing. Cool is playing the best music in Jamaica on the radio, and we appreciate that. And if you want to hear us, not just Sundays. Every station play good stuff on Sundays, but guess what? Cool play good stuff every day. So we have to listen Cool, So that's what JAVAA is really all about. And of course, anyone can join. We have 5 o'clock. Come to our meetings. And of course, the big show is this Saturday, 24th, Reggae Month. And it's our music festival. And apart from those you have heard already, we have people like Gemmas, Shamil Monius, Dean Fraser, Boris Gardner, Dwight Pinkney, Bongo Herman, how can I forget Bongo Herman, Steel Pan Mike, Elaine Peart, Crab Walking, Colin Shirley, Mr. Excellence, Delroy Minot, and of course our beautiful doctor, and June Lawson, Joy Fairclough, and all these people, a lot more. And of course MC is Bali. Remember, you're too young to know Bali. He was a weird big star back in the day. So Bali is our MC, and of course Pop 5, we are the band, naturally. We start pumping at 8. Yes. We are never late.
So what is the cost to enter this fabulous event?
Oh, this is free, but no, $4,000, that's all. Almost free. $4,000, you can get tickets from anywhere, any JAVAA member, or right here at Springville, and of course you can come tonight and get tickets. But anyone who has been here on shows really enjoyed it. It's a nice environment. It's very homely, and it's very safe. And you just feel nice when you come here. I've been doing shows here for the last 10 years, and it's But trust me, when you come here, you feel at home and you feel you have a good time.
Absolutely. So you said you've been doing shows here for 10 years. Do you mean the festival or just shows generally?
JAVAA shows generally. JAVAA shows. We just started the festival about 6 years ago. But basically we've been doing JAVAA shows right here. Because venues are very hard nowadays to find. Good venues, and parking is a major crisis. So we have good parking. Phil's want to thank Phil's next door for allowing us to park there. So we can hold 60 cars in Phil's. Plus we road legally, not illegally. It's illegal at nights. It's illegal at days. Yeah, so it's going to be a great show. So come on out, everybody.
Yes, what else can people expect? I know you mentioned the guests that you have, but what is the energy? What kind of vibe can persons expect?
Like this morning, 100%. I've noticed that you younger people in background Eptones were singing, were dancing. I don't know you know them songs from, but still.
Mr. Campbell.
All right, okay, I apologize. I know you are cool people, so you know all them songs there. Michael teaching all them older people teaching you. That's great, Michael. Good job teaching the young ones.
Wow.
Well, I'm gonna say, you look like a little baby. Just left school last week. So it's great to know that you guys are enjoying our music from our days, and it lives on. I mean, it's all the Bob Marley music. Come on, none of the songs were recorded after he died, and he died 2 or 3 years ago. And these songs are alive today. How great those songs are. They will live on forever. How many young persons can say that? Some of the songs they did after 3 weeks.
So, because you keep talking about this young people, old people thing, what I want to ask you is
I said old people, I said senior.
Senior, okay, senior. So you are preserving that vintage music. Is there any work making efforts to school those younger generations, to uplift them, to encourage them, and to give them some kind of direction in that?
Yeah, man, 24/7. We have seminars, we have workshops. We always teach. We have young people involved in Java, and don't get me wrong. It's just that the popular ones, the ones that need the guidance, because once them boss, you can't talk to them again. You know that. Once someone have money, it done this up. And it's going to last forever. They're not learning from our mistakes. And we want them to continue to learn. When we were growing up, Java, we all have seminar, JFM. Want the young people to come out and learn and don't make the same mistakes that we made.
That's an excellent point. How can persons get in touch with Java?
Well, Java, like I said, for Lem Springfield, my telephone number is public knowledge. 876 what's my number again? 819-2936. I was only joking. 819-2936. Frankie Campbell, you can call me anytime. And, like I said, come on down any Thursday. And, of course, looking forward to seeing you on Saturday. Michael is a member of Java, a delinquent member, but a member nonetheless. Yeah, madam.
Why you have to give away the thing, so? Thank you, Mr. Campbell. Frankie Campbell there joining us, chairman of Java. Watch him come into.
Love is never delinquent.
Thank you very much. The Fortis is live and active here on the Fab 5 compound. Frankie Campbell there, chairman of Java and, of course, founder of the Fabulous Five and our hosts for today. We're going to jump back into the music. I do believe we have some more time. We're going to hear from Clement Gordon right now, who will also be on the stage come Saturday for the JAVAA Music Festival right here at the Fab 5 headquarters, 11 Springvale Avenue in Kingston, just off Constant Spring Road. Welcoming now Clement Gordon to the cool stage.
Nice.
Welcome.
Hello. Yeah. Hey. I'm in a dancing mood. 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 When you feel the beat, you got to move your feet. You got to clap your hands. You've got all the soul deep inside. You can't hide. I'm in a dancing mood. Take it away. When you feel the beat, you got to move your feet. You got to clap your hands. You've got all the soul deep inside. You can't hide. I'm in a dancing mood. 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 Yeah! Yeah! Ching, dancing. Big up Delroy Wilson, man. Wherever you're there. Aha! Leroy Sibbles, big up yourself, Shinton. Yeah, Freddie McGregor. I know you're listening. Aha! Granny! Granny, me old time granny. Granny, 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 me old time granny. Granny, 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 me old time granny. Granny, granny, me grandmother used to tell me, say, grandson, we're out there. Me grandmother used to tell me, say, grandson, we're out there. She said, no, hang your hat where you can't reach it. No, put all your eggs in a one basket. Look, me say, before you leave what you sow, you shall surely reap. No run, me say, follow bad company, my go. Me no got no money. Sit down, make me tell you about the little country. Then she start to tell the history. She tell me about Paul Poker. She tell me about William Cotton. She tell me about Norman Manley. She tell me about Boston. She tell me about Marcus Garvey. Don't you forget Okompong Nanny. Granny, me old time granny. Granny, 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 me old time granny. Granny, granny, St. William Grantham was a good man. Don't forget Kojo the Maroon man. She tell me about 1938. That was the time of adult suffrage. So look, before you leave what you sow, you shall surely reap. Look, me say, before you leave what you sow, you shall surely reap. No run, me say, follow bad company, my ho. Me no got no money. Sit down, make me tell you about the little country. Then she start to tell the history. Granny, me old time granny. Granny, 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 me grandmother used to tell me, say, grandson, we're out there. Me grandmother used to tell me, say, grandson, we're out there. She say, no, hang your hat where you can't reach it. No, put all your eggs in a one basket. Look, me say, before you leave what you sow, you shall surely reap. No run, me say, follow bad company, my go. Me no got no money. Sit down, make me tell you about the little country. Then she start to tell me history. Granny, me old time granny. Granny, granny, granny. Yeah! Yes, Fab 5, una go on.
Okay, if this is any indication of what you can expect on Saturday, you are in for quite the treat. All right, we're coming to you live from the Fab 5 headquarters, 11 Springvale Avenue here in Kingston. This is the spot to be on Saturday for the JAVAA Music Festival. Only $4,000 gets you in, almost free, according to the man in charge, Frankie Campbell. And we're going to be hearing from the Fabulous 5 inside this segment. It's all sweet music all the way until 9 o'clock. Just want to give you some quick information about the event coming up. Some of the persons you can expect to hear from, to see on these grounds: Boris Gardner, Dwight Pinkney. You're going to be hearing from the Heptones. You got a taste of that earlier tonight. Bongo Herman is going to be drumming. Of course, the Fabulous 5, Bagger Case. Yes, Charmaine Lemonius. Big up to Charmaine Lemonius. She does apologize for not being able to be here today, and we do send her all our best wishes. All right, Jem Myers will be joining you as well. June Lawson, Araya, Joy Fairclough, and so much more, so much more. Steel Pan Mike, Delroy Minot, Crab Walking, Colin Shirley, Mr. Excellence. That's all coming to you from the Fab 5 headquarters here on Saturday, February 24th. $4,000, gates open at 6 p.m. Showtime is 8 p.m. And we're going to be stepping into a group that needs absolutely no introduction, but we're going to introduce them same way. It's the Fabulous 5, a key figure here in Jamaican music, and a group that holds a very important place in all of our hearts. So here is the Fabulous 5.
Now every country say them have nice woman, but some not so nice, you must understand. Well, Jamaican woman and sugar and salt, and I man we tell you about them already. Jamaican woman and sugar and salt, some of them are ginger and we make you ball. Jamaican woman and sugar and salt, some of them are ginger and we make you ball. Saint Andrew woman don't make them fun, leave them man alone and then we make you run. Saint Thomas woman is very kind, as you wink your eye, them broke a line. Portland a woman can sport for true, but treat them good and they will die for you. Jamaican woman a sugar and some of them ginger and we make you ball. Jamaican woman a sugar and salt, some of them ginger and we make you ball. Saint Mary woman them nice alright, but them love them man and them quick fi fight. Saint Anna woman them have a good ways, but if you trouble them and them will give you 9 days. Trelawney woman is a serious lot, and when you need a friend them always one spot. Jamaican woman a sugar and some of them are ginger and we make you ball. Jamaican woman a sugar and salt, some of them are ginger and we make you ball. Now every country say them have nice woman, some not so nice, you must understand. Jamaican woman and sugar and salt, I will tell you about them all. Jamaican woman and sugar and salt, some of them are ginger and we make you ball. Jamaican woman and sugar and salt, some of them are ginger and we make you ball. St. James woman love to be free, and when them have them money, them love to spree. I know if a woman work hard, it's true. Woman, if you lazy, them no want to. Westmoreland woman. But if you capture them heart, you know say you cool. Clarendon woman love style and pattern, man them love life stormy and full of pot. St. Catherine woman them love baby, but them plan them life intelligently. Kingston woman love everything, them love to swing. And Jamaican woman a sugar and salt, some of them are ginger and we make you ball. Jamaican woman a sugar and salt, some of them are ginger and we make you ball. But we don't care what nobody say. Jamaican woman a lead the way. Them always stand out in the crowd. Everywhere you go, them is very proud. Them understand them Jamaican man, and most of all them have ambition. So shout to the American and English man. Jamaican woman is number one. one. Shout it all over the Caribbean. Jamaican woman is number one. Tell it to all African nation. Jamaican woman is number one. Shout it in the east and in Japan. Jamaican woman is number one. If you agree with we just hold up your hand. Jamaican woman is number one. If you agree with Fab 5, hold up your hand. Jamaican woman is number one. Jamaican woman is number one. Jamaican woman is number one. Reaching out to all the nice and decent Jamaican ladies across the world. Now this is another big Fab 5 number one. Watch out. I have a sad story to tell you. It might hurt your feelings a bit. Last night as I walk in my bathroom, I stepped in a big pile of shaving cream. Be nice and clean. Shave every day and you'll always be clean. I think I'll break up with my daughter. Her antics are queer, I'll admit. Each time I say, darling, I love you, she tells me that I'm full of shaving cream. Be nice and clean. Shave every day and you'll always be clean. My baby fell out of the window. I thought that her head would be split, but the good luck was with her that morning. She was fell in a barrel of shaving cream. Be nice and clean. Shave every day and you'll always be clean. My old lady died in her battle. She died from a terrible fit. In order to fulfill her wishes, she was buried in 6 feet of shaving cream. Be nice and clean. Shave every day and you'll always be clean. And as a camp in the army, one day I looked inside my kit. I tried to find me some highly, but the damn thing was loaded with shaving cream. Be nice and clean. Shave every day and you'll always be clean. Now this is the end of my story. I think it is time I should quit. And if any one of you do not like it, push your head in a barrel of shaving cream. Be nice and clean. Shave every day and you'll always be clean. Alright. Shaving cream. Be nice and clean. Shave every day and you'll always be clean. Alright. Shaving cream. Be nice and clean. Shave every day and you'll always be clean. Yes, ladies and gentlemen out there across the world listening to Cool FM 97.9 FM. Now this song is a fantastic love song. I think it's the greatest love song of all time, featuring the voice of Mr. Peter Scarlett, who has left us. Big Fab 5 number one. To all the ladies across the world. Must have earned a favor on the way. Today I'm asking for my lady. Today I'm asking for my baby. Please, I'm asking for love. Somewhere in my youth, I must have done something to earn some love. Now I'm also cold and lonely. Need someone to love and hold me. Please, I'm asking for love. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Lots of things I wish would go my way, but love is what I really need today. Somewhere in the past, I'm sure I've earned some blessings that could last to keep me through these lonely hours. Stop me shedding tears like showers. Please, I'm asking for love. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La la la. But love is what I really need today. Somewhere in my life, I must have done blessings on the way. For my baby, I'm asking for my lady. Please, whoa, whoa, please, whoa, please. I'm asking for love. Ooh, yeah. I'm asking for love. Ooh, baby. I'm asking for love. Asking for love, yeah. I'm asking for love. I'm asking for love. I'm asking for love. I'm asking for asking for love. Ooh, asking for love, yeah. Asking for love. Asking for love. And to all the reggae lovers across the world, sing with us in this one. Listen. It's fine, sunshine most of the time, and the feeling is laid back. Palm trees grow, rents are low, don't you know? I keep working my way back. I'm a Jamaican boy who's born and raised. Nowadays I'm lost between two shores. Well, it's fine, but it ain't home. New dream of being a king, and then became one. Except for the name, fuel the change. Talk about me. The story's the same one. I've got this emptiness deep inside, and it won't let me go. Well, I'm a man who don't like to swear, but I hate the sound of being alone. Ooh, I must say, no one there. and no one. Yeah. Every time I think of saying goodbye.
The fabulous five. Mr. Casanova, thank you so much. Thank you to all the Fab Five members joining us here. Thanks to all our guests. Live Tuesday coming to you from the Fab Five headquarters here in Kingston. And we have a few thanks to give. We must say big thanks to our guest, Maca Ruffin and the Step by Step Band. Of course, Fab Five, Norman Price, Paul Dennis, Troy Graham, Edson Johnson here on local, Gail, Clive, Dub King. We thank them for their support. And this segment, this entire program has been brought to you by Alkavida, Alkaline Drinking Water. Improve your water, improve your health. Call them at 876-649-0386. ATC Freight and Shipping Limited, the service professionals. Call them at 876-630-1515. FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange. And of course, our official caterers, Ashanti, Oasis, Vegetarian Catering, the official caterers of Live Tuesday. And we say thanks to Keymix Audio. Mikey wants me to remind you that Live Tuesday is the top morning program on radio. Yes, so thanks to Keymix Audio. The mix is key for PA and sound support. And we invite you to join us again next week for another edition of Live Tuesday. Big thanks to Fab Five for hosting us here this morning. And check out the program JAVAA Music Festival this weekend, Saturday, February 24. I'm Yashika Graham signing off from Springvale Avenue. Walk good.
This is the nation's coolest. Cool 97 FM.